welcome back to my channel. So today for What You Making Monday, I will be making tomato soup in my Instant Pot here, as well as grilled cheese to go with it with homemade bread. So the homemade bread takes 3 hours and 45 minutes from start to finish. So I'm going to prep that first and then we will get started on the soup. The bread is done. House smells amazing. So now that the bread has cooled and that's ready to put together for the grilled cheese, I'm going to get the tomato soup started. So the onions are done. I cooked them in here with some olive oil for about 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add in garlic. Recipe says like one or two cloves, but a little extra never hurts anyone. So we're just gonna do that and give it a stir so that it becomes fragrant. So about 30 seconds. Smells so delicious. That's pretty good. And then I'm going to add in 2 cups of vegetable broth. Kind of deglaze the bottom of the pan if there's any onion on there. It's pretty good. And then you're going to add in 4 cans of diced tomatoes. One. 3. There's that. And then it says to add in 1/4 of a cup of chopped basil. It does say to use fresh, so that's what I have, but I'm sure you could use dry basil and that would be just fine. Yeah, look at my recipe here. And then we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cut down on the acidity of the tomatoes a little bit. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll just eyeball it there. all in here. And then we just need to close the lid. There we go. And then you'll want it pressure cook for 7 minutes, and then we will come back and see how it looks, and then I will put together the grilled cheese sandwiches. Taste test time. I know the grilled cheese is going to taste good, but I'll just eat it anyways. Delicious. You can't beat homemade bread. I love my bread machine. I've had it for many years. So if you're looking for a bread machine, I can leave in the description the kind that I have, and I've had for I think 5 years now, so love it. And the soup turned out really well. The recipe does call for cream. I use lactose-free milk just to be our lactose-free here. Delicious. The fresh basil makes it taste really good. And the recipe did say to use an immersion blender. I don't have one yet, but I might have to get that on my Christmas list. But my blender did just fine. But another easy meal to make at home with your family. But thank you for watching. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that way you know when new recipes are coming out. I put new recipes out on Monday, but comment below and let me know what you're having for dinner tonight because it might be featured on a future video. I'll see you next time.